Actor-dancer Mark Harris finally breaks his silence on his viral gay bar performance, addressing the controversy and setting the record straight. Filipino actor Mark Harris has finally spoken up about his recent viral performance at a male entertainment bar. Earlier this year, Mark was spotted dancing at a gay bar in Parañaque City, sparking online discussions and curiosity among netizens. In a candid interview with Tony Gonzaga on her YouTube show, Tony Talks, Mark clarified that his performance was simply another job for him. He emphasized that he takes on various roles and opportunities to ensure he can provide for his wife and children. Kung napansin niyo talaga, ang tahimik ng buhay ko. Wala akong isyu na nangyayari except this last one na sumayaw ako sa gay bar, diba? Mark stated during the interview. He highlighted that his life has been free of controversies for a long time and that the recent event was merely work for him. Mark further explained that he did not strip off his clothes or perform in a way typically associated with macho dancers. Hindi naman ako naghubad eh. Hindi naman ako sumayaw na parang macho dancer or what. I perform, I danced to hip-hop, ganun, he said, addressing misconceptions about his performance. He also stressed that he is not selective when it comes to work opportunities. Hindi ako namimili. Basta ako, trabaho. Okay ako. So ngayon, nung in-offeran ako sa Apollo, why not? Trabaho yun eh, he stated, referring to the name of the bar where he performed. Mark admitted that he accepts various jobs, regardless of the venue, as long as they provide for his family. Kaya mas lalo akong tumatanggap ng mga trabaho, para sa anak ko. Ayokong dumating yung time na manghihingi yun anak ko ng pera sa ibang tao dahil wala kaming maibigay, he shared.